I just got scammed. What's happening, people? My name is Robbie and today we are discussing NFTs. So we've discussed NFTs before. I'll put a link in the description to my video explaining what NFTs are. In short, it's basically, and this is almost the electronic version of collecting shoes, watches, baseball cards, basketball cards, sports memorabilia, and essentially it's seen as an investment. You would invest in an NFT similar to investing in art, where you're basically buying it in hopes that it's going to be worth more in the future. So before I go any further, I just want to let you know that this video is not planned, not scripted, there's been no research done into this video or anything like that. I've just sat down in front of the camera because I decided to buy my first NFT the other day. Let me tell you, it's complicated. It's more complicated than it needs to be. There are a lot of people saying you should get involved in NFTs at the minute. Getting into NFTs just now is the equivalent of getting into crypto 5 years ago, for example, and there's a lot of money to be made. So I thought, what better way to get involved than to put some skin in the game, buy an NFT and see how we get on. So not really knowing where to start, price points, what NFTs will sell better than others, what could be a good investment, what could be a bad investment. I had a look on Twitter. I seen people talking about a few different collections. There's obviously CryptoPunks, which are extremely expensive and way out of budget. There are things called Badass Bulls. To be honest, it's a very oversaturated market. There are a lot of collections of things, but one that I did see mentioned was the Lonely Alien Space Club. I heard the name, I've done a little bit of research, and by research I mean I had a look on Twitter to see what people were saying about it. Seemed like it could be worth something in future, so I found one. Lonely Alien 4005. Here's a screenshot of Lonely Alien 4005 that I purchased. So I'm just looking at my laptop in front of me and I can see here that I purchased Lonely Alien 4005 for 0.0125 Ethereum, which equates to $40. All in, it cost me around $50, including the fees for actually buying the NFT, buying the crypto. It's all actually really quite complicated just to buy one thing. So let me actually discuss that as well. So I heard of the website OpenSea. This is one of the websites where a lot of NFTs are bought and sold. So I went onto OpenSea and looked up the Lonely Alien Space Club. And I found this one that I ended up buying, which was around $40-ish. And I thought, $40, that's perfect. It's not a lot of money, it's not enough money for me to regret it if I lose it or I do something wrong here, which I evidently did. So I thought this is a good entry point. Apparently, it's not as simple as just putting your card details in and buying the NFT, because it's with crypto. Now, as you probably know, if you subscribe to me or you follow me on social media, I have invested in cryptocurrency, not massive amounts, but I have invested in cryptocurrency for 4 years. So I know at a very basic level how it works, or so I thought. So the first thing that I read is I need to have a MetaMask wallet, and this is where I would store my NFT. So I downloaded MetaMask. Then there is a browser within MetaMask that you open up OpenSea through. So I done this, went into the browser, opened up OpenSea. I then made an account on OpenSea and MetaMask, connected the two, then clicked on the button buy with card, which seemed simple. Then I had to make a MoonPay wallet. So then I deposited the money into MoonPay. MoonPay then converted it into Ethereum, then sent it to OpenSea, and then I got an email notification a few hours later to say that it all went through. But then I tried to view this NFT and it says owned by 361AAF. That's not right, it's owned by me. This is when I look at it on my laptop. However, when I look at it on my phone through MetaMask, it says owned by you. So who the fuck owns it? Me, apparently. But now I have two accounts on OpenSea. I have the account that I have on my computer, and then the account on MetaMask on my phone. I don't know how to log into the one on my laptop. I don't know how to connect from this account into this account, and I have two. Then when I try and log in on my computer, it tells me to open a Coinbase wallet. So I've downloaded Coinbase wallet, made an account there. Won't let me transfer the NFT there either. So I don't know what the f is going on with the NFT at this point. And last night, just before bed, I was just doing a little research. I was on YouTube, I was looking up how to transfer this NFT from OpenSea into my MetaMask wallet, my other MetaMask wallet, or my Coinbase wallet. And I discovered a very important distinction here. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this just now, and I'll pop it up here. There are two Lonely Alien Space Clubs. As you can see, one has a blue tick and one doesn't. Guess which one I bought? I bought the wrong fucking one. I bought the wrong one. I bought the wrong one. So this only came to fruition because I was searching Lonely Alien 4005, clicked on the one with the blue tick, and it was not the Lonely Alien that I bought. It was the real version. And let me just double check how much that one's going for. The real one's going for $1,414. So the real one's going for $1,414. Mine's was 40 because it's fake. What I've done here is essentially the equivalent of not going to the Louis Vuitton shop and buying a real Louis Vuitton bag, but going to the market round the corner and buying a fake Louis Vuitton bag for £50. But to make it worse, I've posted on Twitter, I've just spent £50 on a JPEG, joking, laughing, and just letting people know that I'm trying out this NFT thing. I don't really know why I tweeted it, but I tweeted it in case anyone else was involved in NFTs. I also made a TikTok about it saying that I wasn't sure how it all worked, but I was happy to have started. I just spent $50 on a JPEG. This is my first NFT that I've ever bought. I've made accounts on, I think, 5 or 6 different websites, different wallets, different accounts to transfer money into Ethereum, then Ethereum into a wallet, then from one wallet to a different wallet. I don't know what I'm doing. This is extremely complicated. If NFTs are so popular and are amazing, why has no one simplified this? It's showing up that it's owned by another wallet. Apparently I have 2 wallets and 2 accounts on OpenSea. I don't know what I'm doing. Someone please advise me what the fuck I am doing. Thank you. Now I'm making this video to say that I f***ed it and bought a fake one, and now probably won't be able to get rid of it. What I will say is I am interested in getting involved in NFTs, but so far it's not off to a good start. I don't have the best impression of NFTs at this point. I'm not particularly happy, but like I did mention, I was only spending $50, enough that if I did lose it, I wouldn't be too bothered. And I did lose it. And I'm still kind of bothered, to be honest. But this was the purpose of this video. Letting people know that if you are going to buy an NFT, get involved in NFTs, get involved in cryptocurrency, make sure you do enough research. Make sure at least if something needs to have a blue tick, make sure it has the blue tick before you purchase it. And if anyone who follows me has any involvement with NFTs, please leave a comment. Tell me the smartest way to invest in NFTs, because holy shit, this was overcomplicated. It took up half of my morning when it was actually quite busy that morning, but I got caught up doing this NFT thing. I got a bit overexcited, bought in, f***ed it, lost money. Will I make this same mistake again? No. Will I make a similar one? Probably. One thing I will say is I believe that my Lonely Alien is nicer than the real Lonely Alien 4005. Not that it makes any difference, because my one is worth f*** all and this one is worth $1,400. But with that being said, I'm going to call it a day on the NFT chat. I don't really want to hear those 3 letters in a row for at least a week, so I will not be visiting the comments until next week. But this might be a funny video for me to look back on in a few years if I do get more properly involved in NFTs and can look back on the mistakes that I made, because this will not be the only mistake I make here. And the final point of this video is my NFT is back up for sale. So if you would like a fake Lonely Alien 4005, which is this one, not this one, then I will include the link to OpenSea in the description and feel free to buy it. Please buy it. This has been a real knock to my ego, a real knock to my confidence, and I just need someone to take this off my hands. No, I'm kidding. I will put the link in the description, but don't actually go and buy it. It's just if you want to go look at it so you can see the difference between the real one and the fake one. The money is gone. If someone goes on to buy that for what I paid for it, brilliant, but I will not be holding my breath. Thank you as always for watching. If you made it this far, be sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have any involvement in NFTs or any knowledge. Please help me, because this is very confusing, more confusing than when I was first trying to get involved in crypto. And I do apologise for this video being very unstructured, a bit all over the place. I'm just sitting in front of the camera talking, there was no plan behind this. I just had to let people know that I am an idiot and hold myself accountable for being stupid. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on Monday. Take it easy.